Hey guys, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add social media icon when a single person come to your website. Then, if the person click on YouTube, they are redirect to going to your YouTube. They are click Facebook, they are redirect to this Facebook. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add this one. So first I'm going to my blogger website. You can see this is my website. Just go to layout, then which type of section you want to add. So I want to add a footer section. So just right section, add a gadget, click on here, then click on HTML JavaScript. So I have a secret code. Just this code I will attach in my video description for easy access. You need to just copy this HTML JavaScript code, then going your website, then paste your here section. Wow. Then here are type SOC social. You can write anything here. This is only example. Then save. Okay, it's already updated. Just going on my blog. Wow, you can see now all social media icon or I added on my blogger website. This is very simple. I hope you are doing this work perfectly, but if you have any questions blogger related, please free to comment below. I'll try to comment reply you. And if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Bye.